Oh man, this is what I was just talking about. This poor guy. He says, warning, Angi leads is the reason I had to close my pool cleaning business down. They sent my leads to other pool service technicians. All the leads I got were tire kickers, and every time a lead landed, they charged me $43. It's time for a class action lawsuit. I hear the class action lawsuit thing all the time. Like literally, my sales guy says that every day people are calling wanting help suing Angi because we have an old article that is about a lawsuit from like 2018, and it says in giant print at the top, like, do not call us about this lawsuit. We still get a call every day. But that's what I'm saying is, like, they'll send your leads elsewhere. Like, you can't think of them as people. Like, it's a big corporation, it's a big machine. I look at it as a giant vacuum cleaner that's just like sucking up all the leads and putting them in little packages and selling them out the back end. Like, it's just a big machine. So it's not personal. Like, don't take it personally when you get shitty leads, even though it might feel personal. It's just you're just in the belly of the beast. Like, that is the natural evolution of online marketing and computers and automation. And so the only way to fight it is to not use it and to find alternative ways to be online and get in touch with customers, which is the entire premise of my company, is to allow contractors to get online, be autonomous, get their own customers without having to deal with shitty leads from Angi or any of the other companies. So